Welcome to Randy Bread Production channel. Please subscribe, like and share this video. How to make multi-purpose liquid soap at home. Ingredients: let's start. Use a natural soap. Your caustic soda, little or no caustic soda. Your STPPD soda ash. XLX. Fragrance, formalin, color, sulfonic acid, foam booster, water. Then you use your water to dissolve your SLS, STPP, caustic soda, your soda ash. So use water to dissolve 4 of them. Stir them very well. Few minutes later, as you can see, they have all dissolved very well. 10 liters of water already in my bucket. Add nitrosol and stir very well to avoid lumps. In this particular production, we won't be using Texapon. Then go to my description for more information. I have another video on liquid soap where I used Texapon. Measurement is at the end of this video. I supply quality liquid soap if you want to buy. Add soda ash to thicken it. Add STPP. Add SLS. Add sulfonic acid and stir very well. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Add foam buster. Foam buster can have different colors. Add caustic soda and stir very well. Add formalin. Please subscribe. Add fragrance. Dissolve your color with water. Stir it very well. Add your color. Stir very well. Please subscribe, like and share this video. Your liquid soap is ready. Your liquid soap is ready. Thanks for watching.